Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today is dessert day, not something that I do often. But you know, a buddy of mine, Lance, inspired me to do this when I went for dinner at his place, and on a rotisserie, he had a marinated pineapple. It was marinated in Fireball whiskey, and that inspired me to make this dessert. It's simple, easy, delicious. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. Our first ingredient is Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. You can find that in both Canada and the United States. And I've purchased a pineapple from the grocery store, already cleaned up and cored, and I'm simply going to pour in my Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. Fill it up right to the top, and then we'll simply put the lid back on it, and into the fridge it goes for 24 hours so it'll absorb all those lovely flavors. After 24 hours, take the remaining liquid from around your pineapple, set it aside, as we won't be wasting that. Take your pineapple and cut it into at least 1/2 inch slices. Then we'll use a cooking sheet covered with tinfoil. Apply a little bit of cooking spray, lay out your pineapple, and next is some brown sugar. Generously sprinkle that all over each piece of pineapple. Place in a 425 degree preheated oven for 20 minutes and then another 3 to 5 minutes on broil. Keep an eye just to brown up the edges. And we'll take those out of the oven and just set them aside, let them cool down. You can always cook these the day before. That's what you're looking for, those nice browned up edges. It's time to plate it up. Put down the pineapple, and on top of that we'll put a nice scoop of French vanilla ice cream. And you remember our liquid that we set aside, drizzle that over top of the ice cream. Boy, oh boy, maybe I'll have a little taste too. Give the entire plate a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar, and then we'll garnish it with a piece of mint. Now, doesn't that look decadent? Well, how's that for simple and delicious? You know, you can do that pineapple the day before, bake it up, fire it in the fridge, and then all you gotta do is put it together after dinner. It's easy. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Just hit the red subscribe button and you'll be notified. And you can always contact me directly on my email or here on YouTube. Now I get to try the goods. Oh boy. Talk about decadent. A piece of pineapple, a little ice cream. Oh. Oh my. Your guests are going to love it. The cinnamon, that little bit of Fireball whiskey in there, and the pineapple just melts in your mouth. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do.